Hi, this is my 2004 Volvo XC70. It has 117.5K on the odometer and had its timing belt changed at 106,000 miles and has had regular oil change as recommended by the dealer. Has not gone through the 100K major service just because of the cost of the stuff they want to do. But recently I have noticed a weird startup noise when the engine turns over. It only does it sometimes, so we'll see if it does it now. This is a cold start. It hasn't been running for at least 24 hours. We'll see how that works, and I'll rev the engine a little bit to show you, because I think there's actually a weird noise coming from the turbo. Just kind of hoping someone could identify the problem for me. So I'm just going to go and start it now. I'm not sure if it's supposed to sound this way. There, the engine's cooling down. It's idling. Now I'm just going to rev it until you can hear what the turbo sounds like. So as you can see, I'm just thinking there's something funky going on with the engine. I was gonna go, the oil's like a couple thousand miles overdue for a change. I'm gonna go get it changed today, see if that helps with some of the noises. When it turned over this time, it did not make the really annoying sound. So I'll probably set up another video showing what that noise is specifically.